Welcome guys to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys in this video the benefit of onion juice for hair growth. I'm going to show you guys how I make onion juice for my hair. Benefit of onion juice includes improvement of hair growth, nourishing hair follicles, minimize hair thinning and breakage. So let's just jump right into the video. This is my onion. I blend my onion, so I'm just chopping it to blend it. So after blending, this is what you should get. This is what should come out. This is what you should get after blending. You strain out the juice. Make sure you strain out every juice out of it. So I'm just using this piece of cloth to strain out the juice. After straining the juice, I always like to put it in a spray bottle. This is an old bottle that I converted to a spray bottle. So I just like to put it in a spray bottle after straining the juice. Before I use the juice, my hair looks so dry. My hair was so dry. So this is me spraying it on my hair. Before you do this, guys, make sure you part your hair into 4 or 8 parts so that you can spray it all over your hair properly. After spraying, make sure you massage it into your hair properly. You wrap it up. You can either put it on for 30 or 45 minutes, as long as you want to leave it. If you have nowhere you're going to